today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine first and last name in Excel. We'll be using a simple formula to join text from two different cells, which is very useful when your first names and last names are stored separately and you want to display them together as one full name. To begin, open the Excel workbook where you want to combine the names. Once your file is open, make sure your sample data is ready. In this example, the data is placed in cells A1 through B5. Typically, one column contains first names and the other contains last names, so this setup makes it easy to build a full name in a third column. Now click on cell C1 and type full name. This will serve as the header for your new column, so it's clear what the combined result represents. Next, click on cell C2. This is where you'll enter the formula. Type an equal sign, then A2, followed by an ampersand, then quotation marks with a single space inside them, then another ampersand, and finally B2. The formula should combine the value in A2, add a space in between, and then add the value in B2. After typing the formula, press enter. Excel will immediately return the combined first and last name based on those two cell references. The reason this works is that the ampersand joins pieces of text together, while the space inside quotation marks ensures the first and last name don't run together. At this point, you should see the full name appear in cell C2. This confirms that the formula is working correctly. If the names appear without a space, double check that you included the quotation marks with a space between them. Once you've confirmed the result, you can copy the formula to the remaining rows instead of typing it again manually. Select cell C2, then move your pointer to the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag it down to C5. Excel will automatically apply the same pattern to the rest of the rows, updating the references as it goes. That means each row will combine the first name and last name from the matching cells in columns A and B. And that's it. You've successfully combined first and last names in Excel using a simple formula. This is a quick and reliable method you can use anytime you need to clean up or organize name data in your spreadsheets.